Fellow youth leaders, today I stand before you not just as a nominee, but as a representative of the collective dreams and aspirations of millions of youth across the vibrant and diverse landscape of Asia. From the bustling streets of Dhaka to the serene beaches of Maldives, from the ancient temples of Sri Lanka to the modern skylines of Singapore, from the thriving ports of Brunei to the rainforests of Malaysia, from the gigantic peaks of Himalayas to the scorching deserts of Thar and Rajasthan, we are united by more than just geography. The Asian region is a cradle of civilization, and we are bound by a shared history, a common struggle, and most importantly, a collective future. Across our region, young people are striving to overcome challenges that are all too familiar. Whether it's the struggle to access quality education in remote villages, the fight for meaningful employment in crowded cities, or the battle against environmental degradation in fragile ecosystems, the youth of Asia share a common journey. The journey is marked by resilience, hope, and an unwavering belief that we can create a better future. From the classrooms in Brunei to the tech hubs of India, from the farms in Malaysia to the fishing communities back at Sri Lanka, we are all united by the pursuit of progress and prosperity. But what if I told you that these struggles, these dreams are not just individual stories? These are a collective dream of Asia. They represent the aspirations of every young person who dares to believe that they can shape a brighter future. And it is our responsibility to make that dream into a reality. As your Asian regional representative, my mission is very clear: to advocate for education as a fundamental right, to strengthen our regional networks, and to ensure that every young person and his voice is heard in the power corridors wherever they are. My journey in youth leadership began back when I founded the Young Leaders Society Pakistan. We started as a small initiative which has now grown into a powerful platform impacting communities all across Pakistan through grassroots campaigns. And under my leadership, YLSP has grown countless young people to take charge of their futures, to engage in civic processes, and to drive social reform. This experience has showed me the power of youth-led initiatives that can create change when we get together to work. I also believe that the Commonwealth Youth Council has so much more potential, but in order to explore that potential, we need to include you in driving that change. The challenges that we face as a region are vast and diverse. They require solutions that are not only inclusive, culture-specific, but they are also tailored to your own specific needs. That's why I am committed to expanding CYC by creating more volunteer positions within the council. These positions will focus on specific issues, allowing you to be a part of all these activities. Together we can create solutions that truly resonate with the communities that we serve. Imagine a future where the youth of Asia are united by the common purpose, drive forward the new era of peace and collaboration. Imagine a future where young people armed with education and innovation lead the world in sustainable development. Imagine the youth of Asia contributing to unique cultural perspectives in global solutions. I ask for your support not just for me, but for every young person across Asia who dares to dream. This is not just a dream, but this is our future. A future that we have the power to shape, a future that we must fight for together.